As a fellow retired senior officer who has always placed the security of our nation and its leadership above all else, you must exercise extreme caution during your engagement in Uganda. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa idwe chonokwe kwenzi aiwa anamapranga vonyorra VP Kostano Chiwenga tsamba achiti aiwa be careful Uganda kwa muri uko noda kuti we know kuti pangwa idwe muri pampata zvikananda zvikana kutombokuona ino to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anayembera chiti the security arrangements around you should be tightened to the highest possible level. Uganda has a dark history of calculated assassinations during official visits. We all remember how the Sudanese vice president was eliminated there in a well-planned operation. Our intelligence sources have reliably informed us that millions are actively planning to have you assassinated in a similar fashion, possibly mirroring the helicopter crash that killed the Malawian vice president. They see your presence and influence as a threat and may use this foreign tool as an opportunity to eliminate you while being able to blame it on an accident or external factors. Insist on your own trusted security detail, independent verification of all transport and accommodation arrangements, and full situational awareness at all times. Avoid any unnecessary movement or unscheduled stops. Stay vigilant, General. Thomas Comrade Opanapana, retired Lieutenant General Mr. Skoke Mapranga. Bodzema Fungro Enyimot Kudipa Msrobichit Kuich, Tijuana, VP Kostano Chiwenga, Fangochete, na Mini Baloyi Washinu Attenda, the Ugandan inaugural. Ina comment section medu za Fungro Enyimot Kudipa Msrobichit Kuich. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.